This tutorial is going to show you the Office 365 tools that are available to you, how to format a paper in MLA format, and how to save it and submit it. Begin by going to the centralaz.edu website, and one way to access it easily is to scroll all the way down and click on the student email link. When you click on that link, you're going to get this page. And on this page on the left side, you're going to see the Office 365 tools. For example, this icon says Forms. Forms, and this one is Sway. These are great tools if you have to do a presentation or a paper. You might check those out and see what those look like. If you go all the way up, you're going to see the Microsoft Word tool. When you click on that, you can see at the very top some templates come up. You can either do a new blank document, take some notes. Many professors at CAC require papers to be submitted in APA style. If you're not sure how to do that, this is a great template. It will help you input the information and your material so that it is an APA style. Most English professors use MLA style. To get the template for that, just click on that and it will bring up this paper. You can see in MLA format, it is double-spaced throughout. All paragraphs are indented, 5 spaces. To begin your paper, click on Header and put your cursor here and then just simply type in your last name with a space. You do not have to type in the page number. They add them and then they will be numbered on each page. To get out of this page, just click here and now you're ready to begin your paper. Your header's not showing, but it's there, so don't worry. Begin by typing in your name, your instructor name, the course number, and the date. Then you're ready for your title. So you don't always have to have a subtitle. You can simply just type in your title without a subtitle. You can see that it is the same font as the rest of the paper. It's not in bold. There's not extra spaces before and after it. Sometimes students really want to emphasize the title, but in MLA format, it's very consistent throughout. Now you're ready to start typing your paper. If you look through this information, it gives you some great information. For example, if you're going to put a long quotation in your paper, it shows you how to indent it. It shows you how to name and enter your tables and charts. So if you're going to do any of those things, you might read the directions on how to do that. And then if you scroll all the way down, it shows you the template for citing a source in MLA format. So if you're not sure how to do that, just scroll down. Usually your works cited will always be on a separate page. So you would actually enter till that is on its own page. So that is some information that is contained, but you don't want it for your paper, so you want to make sure you get rid of it. So you can do that by highlighting all of it and then backspace. So I'm back up at my title. If I hit enter, it justifies it left. It indented it 5 spaces. Now I am ready to type. And so on. So once your paper is finished, you can use the editor tool. The editor tool is great. You can choose, and most students it defaults to the editor tool checking all of these things. You can even decide whether you're going to do formal, professional, or casual writing, and it will automatically fix things, but at the end, if you click on this, it's going to give you a report on your paper and suggest some revisions or corrections. So be sure to click on that and get your report when you're done. And don't ever ignore those blue or red squigglies that sometimes come up under words. If you right click on those, it's going to suggest some ways for you to fix that sentence. Once you're done and you're ready to save, you're going to click File, Save As, and you're going to save your copy online through the Office 365 tool of the OneDrive. So just simply put Save Copy. This screen comes up, and be sure to title it because you don't want to submit your paper and then you go to upload it to Blackboard and you can't figure out where it's at. So give it a name that you're going to remember. It's going to save in your Office 365 under Documents, and then just click on Save. Takes a minute to save. So now it is saved, and we're going to go back to this screen and we're going to find it. Here is your OneDrive here. Click on that. It looks like a cloud, and it's going to bring up a screen that looks like this. Here are folders. They always come up first, and then you can see this says a few seconds ago I titled it A College Success, and if you want to make sure it's there and it's saved correctly, just click on that and you can see that it's there. Once your paper is completed and you're ready to upload it to the assignment link in Blackboard, just click on the assignment link and you're going to get this screen. Click on Start Attempt. It would probably be your first attempt. You get this box. Just click in the middle of it and you're going to get this screen. If you scroll all the way to the right, you're going to see this plus sign and it says Insert Content. Click on that and go down to where the cloud is. Go to your cloud storage. Some of you may use Google Drive or Dropbox. With Office 365, it will automatically save to OneDrive. So click on that. You might get a screen where you have to link your OneDrive to your Blackboard, but that's easy to do, just a couple clicks. And then go through and make sure that you find the correct paper to submit. When you find your paper, just click on the box, and you can upload several files, so click on whatever. I'm only going to submit the one, so I'm going to put Select One, and then you're going to get this screen here. Just click on Import, and it will take a minute. It shows you that it's going from the storage, and then click on Save, and then you can see it's here and it's ready to submit. So you will just click on Submit and it will upload it and it will be in there. It will tell you if your submission was successful. It will even email you a confirmation that it was successful. A lot of times students will say, did you get my paper? Was it uploaded? This way you know that it's there. And then you can download the paper if you want to save it on your desktop along with your OneDrive. Sometimes it's good to save things in multiple places. So I hope you found this video useful, and I hope that you use those Office 365 tools.